In the manufacturing industry, guide bushing is a service that is performed to ensure precision and accuracy in the production process. Guide bushings are used in machines to guide the cutting tool to the exact location where it needs to make a cut. This service is particularly important in the production of small, intricate parts where even the slightest deviation can result in a defective product. Guide bushings are typically made of hardened steel or carbide and are designed to withstand the high speeds and pressures of modern manufacturing equipment. Guide bushings are used in a variety of manufacturing processes, including turning, milling, and drilling. They are particularly useful in the production of parts with complex geometries, such as those used in the aerospace and medical industries. Guide bushings can also be used to improve the accuracy and consistency of mass-produced parts, reducing waste and improving overall efficiency. Birknes Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a variety of industries. As a company that values precision and accuracy, guide bushings are an essential part of their manufacturing process. By using guide bushings, Birknes Company is able to produce high-quality parts that meet the exact specifications of their customers. If you are interested in learning more about guide bushings and how they can improve your manufacturing process, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Birknes Company website. Their team of experts can provide you with more information and help you determine if guide bushings are the right solution for your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is a guide bushing and what is its purpose in manufacturing? A guide bushing is a component used in manufacturing processes, particularly in precision machining. It is a cylindrical sleeve that is mounted on a machine tool, such as a lathe or a drill, to guide and support a cutting tool. The guide bushing helps to maintain the accuracy and stability of the cutting tool, ensuring that it stays aligned with the workpiece and produces consistent results. 2. What materials are guide bushings made of? Guide bushings can be made from a variety of materials, depending on the specific application and requirements. Common materials include hardened steel, carbide, ceramic, and plastic. The choice of material will depend on factors such as the type of machining operation, the hardness and size of the workpiece, and the desired level of precision and durability. 3. How do you select the right guide bushing for a particular machining operation? Selecting the right guide bushing involves considering several factors, such as the type of machine tool being used, the size and shape of the workpiece, the type of cutting tool being used, and the desired level of precision and accuracy. Other factors to consider include the material of the guide bushing, the lubrication and cooling requirements, and the cost and availability of different options. It is important to consult with a knowledgeable supplier or manufacturer to ensure that the right guide bushing is selected for the specific application. For more information, contact Birknes Company today.